The final video in the Cotswold Carryall bag making series. In this video, you're going to discover a new way to make adjustable handles for your bags, so you can adjust height, replace, or even remove entirely. Customize your bag the way you want in mere seconds. I'll also show you how to finish each end of the zip. That way you can secure your edge binding, reinforce the zip, and even add a D-ring to create a locking system for your bag. You'll also see the subtle art of leather wrap locks, a small detail that prevents your lock from scratching your bag and gives a sense of magic with its hidden seams and stitch-free design. And finally, I'll show you one of the most simple and elegant ways for adding an umbrella holder to your bag, a removable and minimalist design that's both subtle and effective, which means you'll never get caught out in the rain without your trusty cloud dodger by your side. For more information to get started, click the link in bio now and get your video plan today. Hi, my name is Philip, and this is the Leathercraft Masterclass.